future-ready compressed air solution, 5DV series refrigerated air dryer. Upgrade your factory's performance with the Deman 5DV series, engineered for superior moisture control, energy efficiency, and long-term reliability. Why choose 5DV series? Outstanding energy efficiency. Reduce total energy costs with advanced PM VSD technology. Up to 68% of lifecycle cost comes from energy consumption. Optimize it with smart inverter control. High-performance refrigeration system. Eco-friendly refrigerant with enhanced efficiency, over 30% improvement compared to conventional systems. Stable and reliable dew point control. Specially designed wide-channel aluminum heat exchanger ensures consistent moisture removal across all load ranges. Advanced integrated inverter solution. High power density, strong EMC performance, and superior protection system. Excellent heat dissipation design. Micro-channel condenser with compact structure and high drying performance even in high ambient temperatures. Basic specifications. Capacity, 4.8 to 120 meters cubed per minute. Pressure, 3 to 16 bar. Power supply, 220-volt 50 Hz to 380-volt 60 Hz. Control moisture, control quality. Improve air quality, protect your equipment, and reduce operational costs today.